आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल पे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है सिंपल बेसिक नेटवर्किंग कमांड्स which we use in our daily life either as a basic L1 professional or a support engineer. These commands help us. So let's start. And for this networking commands we use the tool either the command prompt or the PowerShell. So I will show you both the applications, how we open it. So we can just right click on this Windows icon and go to either run, or you can find here the various options you have. You can see here you can find Windows PowerShell, PowerShell as admin. If you are administrator, you can open Windows PowerShell as admin, or you can just click on Windows PowerShell, it will open directly. So let me open it directly. So this is our Windows PowerShell. Parallelly, I am showing the other application which works in the same way we use, and it's available on almost every Windows system, which is our command prompt, CMD. We can just open CMD by typing CMD in the run window and then click on OK. So I have opened both the application. So I will show both the application functioning parallelly. Just a second. So we will run same command in both the application and see how they work. Okay. So right now, both the application you can see we are at the C user profile. So this is working on the user profile right now. If you are working on your personal system, then your user profile is your admin profile also. But if you are working in a company or any organization, then you need to run these commands not on a user profile. You need to run these applications as an admin, and then you will find not C user, then you will find system 32 path. I will show you that also after this. First, go with the basic. So I have opened both the application. You can see the first basic command which you normally use is ping. So we need to check any machine which is on a network whether it's active or not. So how we check? We just try to ping that machine. Right now I don't have any machine IP details with you. You can enter the IP details or you can enter the site name. So what I am doing, ping google.com. You can see google.com is the active website. It's running right now, and you can find it's showing you all the stats. We are receiving a reply with the time frame here. Means this machine or site is active. If you receive a reply like this, let's try with the IP. Ping 10.172.123.31. This is a random IP which I have selected. So right now I am working on a separate system. So let's try this. If the machine is not on a network, not IP assigned to it, it will show request timeout message. It will not show you that machine is on a network. Now let's try these commands in PowerShell also to see whether they work in the same way. Let's try. Now you can see same results. It is showing ping statistics. Everything is same. You can see here. Okay. Now let's test the other command which is ipconfig. ipconfig. So ipconfig command will give you all these results. You can find your IP details, subnet mask details, default gateway, MAC address. See, When I type ipconfig, it shows the result of Ethernet adapter settings, wireless LAN adapter settings, wireless LAN adapter, Wi-Fi settings. Right now I'm connected with the Wi-Fi, so it's showing all the details. The IP address assigned to me, the subnet mask. When you change your network connections, it will show you the result according to that. If you're connected to a LAN, it will show you results in the LAN section. Now let's see the same command in PowerShell. ipconfig. You can find the same statistics here also. The IP is same, the subnet mask is same, default gateway is same, and this is how we will find it. Now there's one more command with ipconfig which we use is ipconfig space slash all. Now it will show you the complete details with your DHCP servers, lease expire, lease obtain, date, with the default gateway, temporary link IP address, IPv6 address, all the configurations, all the details you will find here. Whether DHCP is enabled is not. So you can find all the details through ipconfig slash all. Same you can run in command prompt ipconfig slash all. So in today's lecture we have seen first command which is ping, how to use ping and what ping result shows. Second command we have used is ipconfig. We found ipconfig and ipconfig all details. How we find the machine details through ipconfig, like DNS client, DNS server, DHCP is active or not, and the MAC address and the IP address and the subnet mask. You can find through these two commands. And we have run these two commands on a user profile. Now let's try to run both applications as an admin. So to run a PowerShell, let's go with a Windows PowerShell admin. You can see a difference. Now it's showing C Windows System 32. Earlier it was showing C user profile name. Now it's showing C Windows System 32. So when you run as an administrator, it will reflect all the changes in your device. Also, when you run any application in admin mode, it will reflect all the changes to your C profile, C user profile. It will update the changes or sync the changes to your complete system, like your password you can sync. So this is all from the today's lecture, guys. If you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section. Please then like and subscribe my new channel. And thanks for your time, guys, for watching this video. Thank you, everyone. See ya. I will come up with a new video soon. Bye bye.